I just installed these child safety knobs on my stove. They look decently nice. The glue is good. One disappointment is it's really easy to just flick this open with a single motion. I wish that this had a two motion thing, like, requiring you to squeeze and push at the same time. That'd probably be more effective at keeping a toddler out, but we'll see. I got these slightly too large, so they cover up these numbers, but you can still read them, so that's nice. Overall, it's fine. I'm hoping that's good enough. We'll find out. These are much better than this clip style of lock, which I initially got. Do not get these. These do not work at all. So we'll see. Seems okay. If they don't work, I'm just going to take the knobs off entirely and store these out of reach, which is probably the most effective way to keep a stove safe. However, inconvenient and ugly. So hopefully this style will be good enough to keep my toddler out. We will find out.